So this video is going to talk about topics 4.1 and 4.4, which deal with the introductions to chemical reactions and physical and chemical changes. So a lot of this is review. We've talked about this in your previous class, your previous chemistry class. So physical changes are changes in those physical properties. We are not looking at things forming new chemical substances. We are primarily looking at changes in the intermolecular forces. So the types of attractions between molecules, between particles, are what we're changing. So common physical changes are changes in state, separation of mixtures. So any type of physical change is not going to change the substance. You're still working with the same thing. It might just be a liquid instead of a solid, or a gas instead of a liquid. Or it might be, instead of in solution with some other things, you've separated it out and you have the individual components. Now, when it comes to chemical changes, these are the common things that we think about with our chemical reactions. Okay, so chemical changes, one or more substances transformed into different substances. So this is your typical chemical reaction. You're changing the bonds. You're going from your reactants to your products. Okay, so common indications that a chemical change has happened is the production of heat or light, formation of a gas, so bubbles, a precipitation or a new solid being formed, or a color change. So all of those things indicate that some sort of new substance has been made. Sometimes in problems, you'll be told an observation like bubbles or a solid has formed, and you're going to need to be thinking to yourself, hey, that means a chemical reaction happened. Okay. And as a reminder, chemical reactions always go from reactants to products. We use an arrow in the middle to show the change between the two.